Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And today we're going to do a quick walk around on this bronze out 2026 TRD off-road Tacoma. This currently is for sale. If you're finding this video and you're interested in it, the title of the video will say for sale if it's for sale, and if it's already been sold, we'll change the title to sold. But let's get started. Okay, so I mentioned that we're going to do a bronze out theme, so let's go ahead and do a full walk around on the exterior of this vehicle. For starters, we have again a 2026 TRD off-road with the premium package. So this is already going to be a fairly loaded out truck just for starters. We preference this truck from the factory with a 2.5-inch TRD lift, which currently, as of the timing of this video, is only available from the factory. It's supposed to be a dealer install option soon, but it's not yet. So it's got the factory lift already on the premium package. Obviously, when you have a lift and you have a stock tire on it, it's going to look a little bit weird. So we wanted to go with as big of tires as we could, and on this particular lift kit setup on this Tacoma, you can go up to a 35-inch tire as long as you're getting a smaller on the smaller end of it. This is a Toyota Open Country AT3. It's a 285/75 R18, 34.6 inches total diameter, 11.5 inches total width. It does require removing the front mud flaps for it not to rub, and it still does rub kind of intermittently every now and then if you're doing a hard reverse, but it's definitely acceptable and definitely worth it to get the look and posture that we're looking for on this truck. This particular wheel is the Trailhunter wheel. It's a 139.9 bolt pattern by 6. This is going to work on a Land Cruiser. It's going to work on a Tacoma, a 4Runner. Honestly, it'll work on a Tundra too. But this particular wheel has a 40mm offset, so these tires do stick out just a little bit more than the fender flares, which looks pretty good. It's not too much, but it's not too little. It's just right. And when you do this, you need to, in some cases, depending on your truck, upgrade the lug nuts to black, depending on whether it has black lug nuts or not. And of course, we want to upgrade the center cap to a Toyota center cap with bronze lettering, and then it'll match the bronze wheel. Moving into the front of the vehicle, we also are keeping that bronze theme going. We replaced the Toyota Sombrero grille to the Toyota Heritage grille. This particular grille is Trailhunter, so it's going to be a flat black. It's going to match all the other flat black accents around the car, on the wheel wells, underneath the grille as well. And then we're going to get our bronze lettering, which is going to match perfectly, because everything that we're looking at here is OEM, to the wheels and the center caps. We also used aftermarket light bar. This is a Diode Dynamics Stage Series 20-inch light bar in yellow. And we are switching this with the auxiliary 1 pre-wire switch because this is a premium package. It already has the pre-wire accessible switches in 3 different points on the vehicle, one under the hood, one under the driver's side front kick panel, another one in the bed. So we're just using auxiliary 1 to turn on and off that switch. Okay, so while we're still in the front of the vehicle, I will go ahead and mention too that we did upgrade, or we did add the Trailhunter skid plate. Toyota has 2 versions of the skid plate. There's one that says TRD and there's one that says Trailhunter. The one that's TRD, the letters TRD are in red, and the one that says Trailhunter does not have any additional color to it. It's just Trailhunter stamped, embossed in the steel skid plate. We really wanted to make sure that we didn't have any red on this truck because it's a white truck with lots of black accents and of course bronze. There's no need to throw the red in there and make it look a little weird. So I specifically wanted to have the Trailhunter skid plate just to keep the red out of it, but still have that factory protection that you need with a genuine part. Okay, so we went with the black oval tube steps. They come in a chrome version of them. We went with the black version of them to match the black around the vehicle. These are aluminum construction, but they do have a plastic fascia on them. The plastic fascia is nice because obviously it's a little bit more corrosion resistant than just aluminum itself. It does have the word Tacoma stamped on it. It's a genuine accessory. And then it has 2 plastic caps on it right here for additional traction. So there's one for the rear and one for the front. It has a nice texture to it so your foot can't slip on it. They still call them an oval tube step, but it is kind of semi-oval in design, but it does have a little bit of a nice angular pattern to it so that it adds a little bit more depth to the vehicle and picks up on a couple other sharp angles. Kind of moving on to the back of the truck, you'll notice that the TRD off-road decal is missing from the back. We like to delete that in some cases, and in this case, again, we just didn't need to have that additional clutter on the bed of the truck. So easy to remove. It just needs to be at room temperature or a little bit hotter than room temperature. Just pull it inside and you can kind of pick it off with your fingernail and just use a heat gun if you need to. But it kind of makes the truck flow a little bit better having that additional text off the vehicle in the back. And then moving around to the back, you'll notice that there is no exposed exhaust pipe. The reason that there is no exposed exhaust pipe is because we installed the TRD off-road exhaust. It's basically just a genuine part. Costs a little bit over $100, but it removes the exhaust pipe that goes from the back of the muffler to the exhaust point right here behind the rear mudguard, and it just kind of dumps that exhaust right in the center of the truck, right in front of the differential. The reason that that's a nice upgrade is you're going to increase your departure angle for off-roading. You're also going to increase your ground clearance a little bit, and it actually adds a nice little bit more sound. It's not that it's adding more sound because it's behind the exhaust, but you're bringing it about 4 feet closer to you. So you'll hear it a little bit more from inside the cab, but not too much like a TRD Pro exhaust. It can be maybe a little bit obnoxious. It's just going to add just a little bit more sound. And that is a wrap on our 2026 TRD Off-Road Premium Showroom build with bronze package. If you guys like it, hit thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for future Tacoma content. And of course, if you have any questions, ask in the comment section below.